guys, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing another review and first impressions of the Essence Gel Nail Polish. Also, disclaimer before I continue this video, this is not sponsored by Essence. So last week, I was online shopping for some cheap nail polish because I wanted to add more colors to my nail or gel polish collection. And because most of what I have are all dried out. So I bought these from Shopee for less than 100 pesos each. As for my order, these 4 colors caught my eye and I'm going to swatch these to see is it worth it. Also, I am going to segue into this video. If you're not aware between the difference between gel polish and nail polish is that gel polish usually requires a UV or LED light to dry and last for a couple of weeks, whilst nail polish can air dry on itself and only lasts for a couple of days. And with that said, let's get on with the video. So in this video, I will also be using the Sun Mini Nail Lamp to dry or cure my nails. If you're new to my channel, I actually made a separate video reviewing this product, so you can check down the description below to check out that video. And if you're interested in purchasing this nail dryer, you can see in that video where I bought this nail lamp. So before I get on to swatching, I just want to remind you to please like and subscribe. And if you want to see me review more products or if you have any other video suggestions, don't be shy to comment down below. So for the first gel polish, we have the shade Whisper of Spring. For the next nail gel, I will be swatching Love is in the Air. Next gel polish, I will be swatching the color My Highlighter. And for the last gel polish, I will be swatching the color Wild White Ways. Now that I'm done applying all these swatches, I will say that it takes a lot of time applying these gel polishes, since while I was applying them, I had to put a lot of layers, or I had to dip the brush multiple times in the bottle, and it takes longer to dry. When applying these gel polishes, I would recommend putting it under the UV light or any nail dryer for at least 2 times. But after seeing the end results of these gel polishes, I saw how beautiful they were, and considering how cheap I bought them, I consider these products worth it. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And to see updates, you can follow me on my Instagram. If you want me to do more product reviews or if you have any other video suggestions, don't be shy to comment down below. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you next time. Bye!